Heading out to lunch at 11:30 on a Friday, and the phone rings. It's your installer. He's on site and he's not happy. And he has news. The light rail is missing. Not just misplaced, missing. He's gone through the boxes, checked the garage, it's not there. He can't finish the uppers without it. Can you come out? You drop what you're doing, you make the drive. 40 minutes each way through 2 school zones and a construction detour. You pull up, walk through the front door, say hello to the homeowner. You walk past your installer, you look at the pile of boxes stacked in the corner of what used to be the dining room. And there it is, light rail, sitting on top of the pile, sticker facing up, exactly where it should be. Your installer did not look at that pile, he looked near the pile. You just spent 80 minutes of your Friday finding a stick instead of having lunch. Welcome to the Elevated Podcast. I'm your host, Brandy Lawson. This is the lost part. As you seethe back to your car for the drive back, this is not a one-time thing. This is a pattern. And the reason it keeps happening isn't that your installers are careless, it's that when the delivery arrived, nobody created a record. The delivery check was a quick walkthrough and a signature. No one narrated, no one documented where each item landed. So when the installer says the light rail isn't there, you have no way to know whether he's right or whether it's in the back corner under the filler strips. Both are possible. You can't know from your desk, so you go. Every drive like this is time pulled from the work that only you can do. The designing, the selling, the client relationships. And the worst version of this isn't the 80-minute wild goose chase for a part that was there all along. The worst version is the part that actually isn't there and that you have no record of. And now you're figuring out the hard way at installation. The fix is the narrated delivery. When the truck shows up, whoever receives the order does one thing differently. They turn on the recorder and read the inventory out loud as they go through each item. Box 1, light rail, quantity 2, going in the far corner of the garage against the wall. Box 2, sink base, quantity 1, stacked with the lowers. The whole thing takes an extra 3 minutes. What it gives you is a searchable receipt of exactly what arrived, how it arrived, with the location noted. When the installer calls about the light rail, you don't get in your car. You open the transcript, type light rail, and find the line, light rail, quantity 2, far corner of the garage, against the wall. You send him a text with the location. He goes to the far corner. Case closed, from your desk in 30 seconds. Doing this over time will change things. Your team stops defaulting to the call. They know the record exists. They know where to look before they reach for the phone because they've learned that the answer is usually already documented somewhere. And when a part really is missing, you know immediately because it's not in a transcript. The record doesn't just save the drive, it changes the dynamic entirely. If you've been making drives that waste your time and gas, the AI note-taking guide has the delivery workflow, how to narrate a receiving check so every item is accounted for before the installer ever touches a box. Get it at cabinetnotes.com. Next week, you did the sales meeting, you have everything. Now you have to hand it to someone else without losing what makes the client feel known. Don't miss it. Hit subscribe.